it go.
I win.
How'd you like that one?
Good.
Pretty good, huh?
Ooh. Whoa. Look at that tree. Woo! Woo! Whoa! 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 Woo! Whoa! Oh.
What are you all doing in my living room? How do you like my living room?
Is this the bird cave?
Yeah, get out some food. We'll feed the birds. Above you. Oh, hold your hand out. Don't move it. Don't move it. Oh! Move up. Move up. Hold your hand out like that, but don't move your hand. All right, get ready. He's looking at you. You guys can come in. Don't move your hand. Oh, look at that. He grabbed it. Really careful. Last week, somebody went into one of those tree wells and they suffocated.
And they died?
Yeah. So be really careful.
I fell into a tree yesterday, but I survived. It wasn't as deep as a normal
We
one.
always want to make sure we have a buddy, okay? So, you pick where you want to go. I will follow you.
I'm going to go through these trees
Hold
over
on.
here.
We are going to the second tournament,
Okay.
okay?
Okay.
And if you get in there and you get stuck, that's why you have a whistle.
Okay, come
All
on.
right, I'll follow you. Let me hear the powder out.
Oh! Whoa! Whoa!